Hey, 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 hey. So after an hour and a half drive, we have arrived to Huacachina. It's a small little oasis slash town in the middle of the desert. It is absolutely stunning. So what are we gonna do now? Check in, have lunch, and right after go dune buggying all over this desert.
Oh my god, it sounds like so much fun. I'm excited.
Alright, so let's do it. Alright guys, we just arrived. This is our ride right here. Check that out. Look at that monster. Woo! Oh man, wow.
That was so much fun.
That was great.
I have to say Kenny made it a lot easier for me because he was paving the way.
Yeah. So I broke up the hard sand and she walked right in my tracks. She had it easy, guys, I'm telling you. She's a
Thank
cheater.
You, babe.
She's a cheater. Oh man, you feel like you're on top of the world out here. You can see everywhere.
This is awesome. Baby, you should do like a spin around.
Man, it makes you just realize how small you are in this big world.
I know.
It is crazy. And we're right at the edge here, so we're not gonna take a chance of walking on the edge here because if you slip down that other side, that's it. There's no stopping.
Let's do a turn around and then show them like the
Check this out, guys. There we go.
I'm not gonna try to walk around too much.
The sun is setting behind us.
Look at that.
It's nothing but just sand as far as the eye can see. Look at this.
Look at footsteps. Oh wow, look at that. Amazing.
Isn't that crazy? Wow.
It goes on for hundreds of miles.
I'm gonna go around Gladys. Hold on.
Go.
Duck, duck, duck. Look at this, guys. Wow. Amazing.
I love this.
It just keeps going.
Let's show them over the cliff.
Oh my gosh. It's actually scary looking down there. Check this out.
Oh, it wasn't like the other one.
Whoa. Guys, look at this. Look at this. You come up to the edge.
Wow.
That is crazy.
The sand is so warm.
Yeah.
And soft.
This is crazy here. Wow.
All right, let's walk back down. The sun is setting and it's definitely getting a lot colder up here.
Yeah, we actually spent about a good 20 minutes just sitting there, just taking it all in.
How long did it take us to climb up?
I think it took us about a good 15 to 20 minutes.
Really? That's not bad.
Yeah, it wasn't horrible, but
I thought it was gonna take us about 45 minutes.
yeah, but going down is so much easier, especially when we're walking in the exact tracks we made coming up. So, oh my gosh, it's so much easier. Our guide told us to take our shoes off, our sneakers.
I don't know, that was a good idea.
for us, that's a big mistake. Yeah, because now it's like you had to break the sand with your feet.
Well, not me, you.
Yeah, I did. So she, whoa, we're kind of going sideways. Whoa, you got it?
Yeah, yeah.
You alright?
Yes, yes.
Uh-oh, we still have a long way to go. It's so funny because we left our GoPro at the bottom of this hill to film what's going on.
Baby, look at the sunset behind us.
I know. Guys, look at that.
Hold on, Sophie.
Yeah.
Pretty fast
Now we're going downhill and it's like, man, my legs are like, I'm out of shape. Holy cow. My legs are like shaking going down.
No, we're going down pretty fast.
Okay, now just dig your heels in.
Okay.
Wow. This is awesome.
Oh my gosh.
I think if we left our GoPro here overnight, we couldn't find it tomorrow because it'd just be covered with sand.
Yeah, I totally agree with you.
Oh man. Okay, we got a little bit to go.
Oh wow, we have a long way to go.
Yeah.
Go, take it apart.
That's our GoPro. Come on, let's go. Oh man. Oh. Guys, look at what's behind Gladys. Look behind you. Look behind you. Oh.
I made it, guys. It was difficult, but I made it.
She made it. And that sunset, how gorgeous was
Look
that?
at that behind us. This
Oh
is
my gosh.
gorgeous. You kidding me?
That was awesome.
It's so much fun here.
Alright guys, that was awesome.
I am beat up.
Yeah, my body's aching. I mean, just the ride in the buggies, it's a little rough, but it was so much fun.
We had a blast.
We did. And then sandboarding. First time for me, first time for her. An absolute blast.
I was
An
scared
absolute
at
blast.
first, and then I was like, all right, I got the hang of this. We can do this all night.
So now we have sand all over us. I have sand in what little bit of hair I have. I shave it all off, but whatever's growing in it still has sand. And in my ears.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. I have sand all over.
Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna take a quick shower, meet our friends downstairs, have a drink, maybe a snack, and then we're gonna call it quits. Morning guys. It's day 2 in Huacachina, and it's like 6 a.m. in the morning. Before sunrise, we're gonna climb this ginormous dune right next to the hotel to check it out. So, and it's cold out. So we're all bundled up and it's time it's time to climb. Oh boy, it's too early for this, but we gotta do it. tell you, now you get to see both sides of the dune. We have the oasis on one side, and this
City.
it's not really the city. It's more like an area where people are allowed to build like these cubicle shacks, and it's an amazing view. It's just crazy to see that when you look on Instagram. You see this beautiful oasis,
But you don't see the surrounding areas.
when you look behind you, there's like thousands of these shacks there, and these people are living in poverty.
Which is quite sad. Huh?
It's sad. It is sad. But not to dampen the mood.
Yeah. It's quite amazing.
It's gorgeous.
Up
Yeah.
here. Actually, this is something that we never ever have done before.
Yeah. For sure.
I did not know it was. I mean, I had an idea it was quite difficult climbing up sand dunes.
Yeah.
But wow. I mean, I didn't think I was gonna have such a difficult time.
Yeah. And we're in shape. Apparently not that in shape.
We need to start doing more cardio.
Yeah. Yeah.
But we're just up here admiring the views.
Yeah.
It's
It feels like you're on top of the world, to be
spectacular.
honest.
It is.
And there's a morning mist that rolls through. It's getting closer and closer. But,
yeah, well, Mr. Here is like, we have to come later for better lighting. I'm like,
Yeah.
that's why we got up at 6 a.m. this morning.
yeah. Hopefully this all clears and the sun is gonna set. The light's gonna be on the oasis. It's gonna be behind us. We should have beautiful
And
lighting.
hopefully you can carry me on your back on the way.
Hopefully, I'm gonna try to carry her up.
Disaster, okay? Don't even
Yeah.
wait for that.
One thing, there's a lot of garbage all over these dunes.
Yeah.
Plastic,
sad.
paper. I mean,
Sad because it's so beautiful and it kind
Yeah.
of takes away from it.
it does. It does. In fact, right where we're standing, look at this. Plastic bags.
Yeah.
Just like blowing all over the dunes. So it really is a shame, but you know, you can't judge, right? So it's not fair to. It is what it is.
Yeah, it's still
All right.
absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. All right,
Let's head down, babe, please.
time to go down, guys. My baby is freezing.
I'm cold. Alright guys, we had a nice small breakfast. We actually checked out of our last hotel because it was way too noisy last
So
night.
bad.
It was horrible.
Yeah.
And then we woke up this morning, there's hammering, there's actually construction at the hotel. And basically, we're at the new hotel and I'm loving it because it's nice and quiet. It's actually much more comfortable.
It is, yeah.
And
And it's right on the lagoon.
yeah, which is awesome. We actually have a view of the lagoon from here. So
Yeah.
I'm really loving this place. I wish we stayed here last night.
I do too.
But anyways, we are going to walk around this tiny little town. I like to call it a town.
It is.
I think this is by far the smallest town we have ever visited.
I think so too.
Right?
With
It's
the
about,
lagoon.
what's the size? What do you think?
I have no idea.
Roughly? No?
No.
I need to find out because it's so small. I'm loving it here.
Yeah.
So let's go. You ready?
All right, let's go.
Huacachina, we are loving you. This place is absolutely beautiful. We're actually hanging out by the beach and it is so relaxing.
Yeah, it is.
I haven't seen anyone swim, but you definitely can take off your shoes, wet your feet, kind of cool off a little bit. The water is so beautiful. It's green.
Yeah.
I didn't dip my feet, but I don't know, maybe we should. But anyways, they do have pedal boats that we are considering on getting on and paddling around the lagoon. So I don't know.
So this place is so beautiful, this oasis. It has this lagoon in the middle. It's surrounded by palm trees, tall grasses, restaurants, vendors, some hotels, and the entire area is surrounded by beautiful sand dunes. Oh my gosh.
I'm loving it.
This is really
Penny's
pretty.
talking. I'm like, oh yes. It sounds awesome.
Yeah, no, it totally is.
We had the most delicious lunch ever here in Huacachina House.
Guys, it was so good. I forgot the dish we had, but I actually took a picture of it. Man, it is awesome. If you come here and you're confused if you're in the right spot, just look for the tree without any pants on.
Yeah.
Then you know you're in the
cool.
right place. But
Exactly.
this place was awesome.
And the service was great.
Yeah.
We just left with 2 new friends.
Definitely, definitely.
Huacachina House! Lovely ladies.
All right.
So now we are going to head up the dunes again.
To get a sunset view of the oasis.
Kenny's trying to kill me, I think. It's a lot of
She-
work getting up there.
She's gonna love it. She's gonna love it. Let's go, let's go.
All right, let's do this.
She's gonna love it, guys. Watch
I'm
this.
going to love it. It's just trying to get up there is where I'm
Yeah.
not loving it.
Watch this. We found an easier way up.
I'm loving it. I'm like, woo!
Yeah, so much easier. So the best way to get up here is by going to the beach side of the lagoon, walk up the small hill, and from there it's pretty much flat going up, almost.
Yeah, it's not bad.
No. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And we're coming up on this old water tank. Has like some murals and graffiti on it. It's pretty cool stuff. I like it. Let's see if we.
We're not going to be alone because other people
Oh.
have the same idea that we did.
Yeah, everyone seems to want to come up and watch the sunset, which is awesome. Oh, this is beautiful. Aye, aye, aye. All right.
Up there. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with us and stay tuned to next week's video as we visit Nazca and fly over the mysterious Nazca lines. And if you are enjoying our content, please support us by commenting below, hitting the subscribe button, and sharing our videos with your friends and family. See you next week.